Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hello, hello. Happy Monday. I'm going to show you how to add mixed number integers. We learn in class how to add two numbers, and for tomorrow's retake, you will have one example where it's three numbers. Okay, so I'm not gonna write step by step here. I'm just gonna work at it, and as along the way, I'll explain to what I'm doing. Here we go. So we know, so we're given 2 and 1/6 plus 4 and 1/3 plus negative 9/2/4. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this into an improper fraction. So that's step one. Okay. So my new fraction is going to be 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 6. Okay. Plus, well, we know we convert this fraction, we will have 13 over 3 plus a minus or negative 9 times 4 is 36 plus 2 is 38, be negative 38 over 4. Okay, cool. So that's step one. So we have this mixed number. So step two, okay, step two, all right. Step two is we're going to look at the denominator, and we have to, in order for us to add or subtract any kind of fraction, we need to have a LCD. So we're going to find LCD, in this case, between 6, 4, and 3. I think the LCD is going to be 12. Okay, so let's go step number 3. Okay, step 3. We're going to convert. Okay, we're going to convert to equivalent fraction. All right. Equivalent fraction. All right. Okay, so I'm going to take my purple marker. I'm just going to, let me erase this mark here so you guys can follow me. I'm going to take my purple marker. I'm going to go ahead and multiply it. Make sure it's all equal to 12. Oh, this is 4. Don't forget that. Okay. 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 So I know to get to 12, 6 has to multiply by 2, and 2 in the numerator, by 4, and by 3, and by 3. Okay. So the first equivalent fraction is going to be, let's see, that's 26 over 12 plus 13 times 4, that's going to be 52 over 12 plus, let me see, what's 38 times 3? So 38 times 3. I want to make sure I double check. 8 times 3 is 24, right? The 4, carry the 2, that's 11. So 114. So negative 114 over 12. Good. Okay. Now notice I have all common denominator. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all three, but I'm going to write it in a way where I'm going to make it simple to look at. So step 4, I'm just going to add. Okay. I'm going to rewrite at just one denominator because I know they're all common, so I'll just write one under a big division line. So this is 26 plus 52 plus negative 114. All right, so I think the easiest thing to do is combine the first two positive numbers. So if I add this together, I should get, is it 26? Yeah, I should. I'm trying to double check my work. Okay, I should get 26 plus 52. That's going to give me 78, right? So that's 78 plus negative 114 over 12. Okay, so now I have one negative, one positive. So I'm going to use my integer box because this is what helps me to add the integers, and I urge you to do the same. Here's my negative, here's my positive. So the 78 goes into the positive box, the negative goes to the negative box. I take the smaller number, I move it over, and I take the difference, okay? Which should give me, let me see, this becomes 10, 14, that's becomes 36, okay? Since it's in the negative box, my number is going to be negative 36 over 12. Okay, and before you can say, you know, yay, I'm finished, not quite. Now we're looking at this is what's called an improper fraction, and so we have to divide, right? But we know that when we divide a negative with the positive, we know we know our answer is going to be negative. So I know 12 goes to 36. Well, we can go and do long division. Okay, I'm going to leave the negative sign out for now, but 12 times 3 is 36. All right, take the difference. Notice there's no remainder. So my final answer is negative 3. Okay, hope that helps. Please do the homework, and you'll do great on test tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.